Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your email address has been in a data breach. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, there are a bunch of different options, but the one that I recommend is using my partner service, Aura. If you basically click that link down below in the description or in this video right here, you can get a 14-day free trial. So you can head into the App Store or Google Play Store if you're on your phone, or you can just go to aura.com. So let's type in Aura here, and there it is, security and protection here. Just download and install this app. The nice thing is that it will track your email address through all of these known data breaches. So I can just open up the basically app here and tap on Vault at the bottom right. And next to personal data, I can tap on that and you can see email address. I have my email associated with this and that there has been my email address in various data leaks. So let's go back home here at the bottom left. And it says your email address for Luxottica appeared in a data leak. So I can tap on it. And it says your email address for Luxottica appeared in the dark web. Basically, it shows my email address here. The site or breach was luxottica.com. The date it found was May 24th, 2023. And then it'll give you more information about this, about what you can do. You can mark it as resolved if you've already fixed this, or you can hit I need help if you want additional help and service to make sure that basically your email address is safe. Now, again, you can go back and hit this see all, and you'll be able to see a lot of critical alerts for my email address appearing in Twitter, Teespring, verifications, all these different ones that I will want to go through and check to make sure that my email address is safe. If you do find your email has been in various leaks like this, I would recommend going to that website, making sure you change your password, and then probably, if it's Gmail, Yahoo, whatever it is, going to that email service and changing that password as well, just to be on the safe side. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.